The Chiquita is the lightest and the fastest automatic heat welding gun on the market. At only 9 pounds, it can heat weld any flooring material, making it the most recommended automatic welder amongst flooring manufacturers. The Chiquita comes with Turbo's patented universal nozzle that can heat weld any flooring material quickly, effectively, and without scorching the floor, so you get the strongest welds every time. Operating the Chiquita could not be any easier. Simply retract the kickstand, insert the welding rod, and lower the nozzle until the welding rod touches the groove, where the Chiquita will start moving back automatically. When you're finished welding the groove, simply lift the Chiquita, activate the kickstand, and rest on the floor. You can use the Chiquita with a spool for long runs and without for short runs by simply attaching the spool holder. Although the Chiquita is very easy to use, it will properly fuse the welding rod to the material to prevent any gaps in the seams as the material ages. The Chiquita's suspension system allows it to stay on track regardless of the terrain or any obstacles in its way. Thanks to the universal nozzle, the Chiquita can heat weld 18 feet per minute or 6 meters per minute, making it the fastest automatic welding machine in the industry. The universal nozzle was designed to work with the Chiquita to produce the desired washes that guarantee you the strongest welds possible across all flooring materials. The Chiquita has been awarded multiple patents around the world for its revolutionary design, effectiveness, and speed. To purchase the Chiquita or to learn more about how it can greatly improve your heat welding capabilities, visit us at www.turboheatweldingtools.com or call us at 714-522-4290.